Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video I am going to show you how we can get picture-in-picture in YouTube application. We need an app to play video in picture in YouTube mode. We will get the app in the App Store. First go to the App Store, click on the search bar and type UBAPIP. Now install the app and open it. After opening we will see an interface like this. Now click on the video which you want to play in picture-in-picture mode. You can also search from here. Let's play a video. Next tap on the minimize icon next to cross icon in the top left corner of your screen. Our video now is in picture-in-picture mode. You can also move it anywhere. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.